Welcome. Tasting video. This is a rice ale. I called it a lager in the video. It is an ale, blonde ale with rice and a mash. I'll screenshot the recipe right now. And you can check out the brew day in the description below. I was told in comments that this was indeed not right. The rice I used was a grass. Yeah, so I thought it was rice, just different color. It was a lot less sticky than normal rice, but I will say it did bump up my efficiency in the gravity. Let's do it. Let's get right to this puppy. I do need to submit some beers to HomebrewCon, and this might be one of them because I looked around. I'm supposed to submit 3, and I don't really have 3 beers to submit. So I'm hoping this is carbonated good and clear, and I can put it under a blonde ale or something, or maybe even a Pilsner. I don't know. But now it's only been bottle conditioning for a week, but it is pretty clear already. So that's pretty sweet. Well carbonated, not over carbonated, which is awesome. The smell at the bat's fine. It's a little honey on the smell. What I'm about to say makes no sense because if it was blindable, there's no way I think I would detect this, but I swear it smells like sake a little bit. But there's no way that that could be real. It just has an umami sort of thing going on. Sake, it smells a little like sake. I don't know. It's very interesting. There's a weird taste to it. That is very bizarre. It almost has like a burnt taste to it. It's really weird. It's like burnt toast or something. Really weird. If I submit this into any category, like a regular American light lager or blonde ale, it will not do well because this flavor is weird. I don't hate it, but I've never had that before. It's odd. It's almost like alcoholic in the taste. So maybe I had a yeast fermentation issue. Maybe it just burned a little warm. Maybe it overpitched a little bit, possibly underpitched a little bit, and it just produced this weird hot burn yeasty flavor to it. And for all I know, that also could be the rice. Whatever rice I used, maybe that did impart some weirdo off flavor, not off flavor, but some weirdo burnt sake Sapporo sort of thing going on. I don't know. Very hard to describe. Maybe I'll submit this anyway, knowing it's going to fail, and I'm so curious to see what the feedback is going to be, because it probably won't do very well. Well, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do it with actual rice, sushi rice, and see what happens that way. I think it'll be a crisper beer using proper rice, probably a bit drier, and we'll see if it has an interesting flavor to it. And I'll save a bottle or two of this and do a comparison. Hopefully in like 2-3 weeks I can get to brewing it, so it won't be too long of a gap between the two, the new one and the one I just did. So there you go. Interesting experiment. Like, subscribe, keep getting weird, and see you next time.